Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my live. I'm Laura Madden, and this is ReFashioned Art. Hope you guys are all having a great day. As for me, I'm having a fabulous day. It feels like it's half over. I was up super early today. I just got back in town. So it almost feels like it should be 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but it's not. It's not here, Pacific Standard Time. Hey, how are you? You know, I don't know if I'm gonna say your name right. Josu Clotaire, painter. Let me know if I'm saying it right. Thank you for joining me. So guys, want to share some announcements I shared last week. Actually on my other Instagram, if you follow me, where I share more of my fashion content. I'm a huge sustainable fashion advocate at I am Laura Madden. That's my other Instagram. And so I shared that I am a nominee for the Arizona Foothills Magazine Best of the Valley Most Fashionable Valley Woman, which is super exciting because I'm doing my work, spreading the word about sustainable fashion, which is something that's been really important to me for about 6 years now, since I've learned about, I guess, more or less the environmental distress the fashion industry is causing the environment. And so I've become, it's become part of my life's work to advocate for more sustainable fashion. And for a while I was styling and personal shopping and doing a lot of writing and speaking and was pretty much a blogger influencer, to further awareness of sustainable fashion. I've kind of backburnered that for a little bit right now. I do still consider myself an influencer because just spreading this message and raising awareness about sustainable fashion is so important to me. So, long story short, if you would like to see me win, then I hope you will vote for me. The link is in the bio here. I think it's the third option down. If you click the link in the bio, if you go to I am Laura Madden, my other Instagram, it's also in the link in bio there. But voting goes until I think the end of November. And you can vote every day. So go on with your bad self and get me voted in. That would be super cool, guys, just because it's another way for me to share my mission. And any media awareness, any media feature is really important to help me do that work. Another thing I wanted to share, thank you for everybody that entered my giveaway. My giveaway wrapped last week. And this is what the winner won. I haven't announced her yet. That is the 2022 Black and White Abstract Art Calendar, which is on shop.iamlauramadden.com. Guys, fabulous gift, if I may say so myself. You essentially are getting 14 prints, and if you purchase this lovely calendar, or any of the calendars featured on my website, you can choose any print to have as the cover photo. So any print, I think I have almost 100 now, on shop.iamlauramadden.com can go on the cover. And then we have 4 different calendars to choose from. We have the black and white abstract, which is this. Just a little sneak peek. I do have a few videos on my feed and in my IGTV if you'd like to take a closer look at exactly what you are getting. So it's all black and white abstract art, which of course is my favorite thing. And then we have the abstract art calendar, then we have the stylish art calendar, and then we have the empowered portrait calendar. So click the link in my bio, guys, and it's kind of, if you have any trouble finding it, I'll admit, I feel the website maybe is not structured that well. If you want to get to the calendars, you actually have to click on one of the prints. Whichever print you choose for the cover photo, you just have to click on that print, and then it will give you a whole, oh my goodness, a beautiful bluebird. Sorry, attention deficit, I'm here. So you would click on that print that you want to be the cover, and then it's gonna give you a whole line of options. Do you want a print? Do you want a canvas print? Do you want a metal print? And then there's merch. Do you want a tote bag, a mug, a greeting card? Do you want it as a calendar? There's a whole lot of options that you can have every print printed on. which is super cool. And that leads me to my next item that I want to share. A lot of great gift ideas, guys. I do really want to encourage you to gift art this year. It is a very personal and meaningful gift. And I feel like when you give art, it's more of an experience than just giving a thing that's going to sit in a drawer or even on your bureau or whatever, your bookcase, your wall, because you feel something. The purpose of art is to feel something. And I do feel like if you're giving a personable piece of art, that the recipient of the gift is going to love, then I do feel it is going to bring out some very positive emotions for them. So gift art, of course, an art print is always wonderful. And on my website, shop.imlauramadden.com, you can do photo paper prints, fine art paper prints, canvas prints, metal prints, acrylic prints. I don't have any, actually, do I? I do. This is one of my favorite because it gives it a nice modern edge. So acrylic is like glass. Comes all ready to hang. Comes with the hanging hardware to go in here. But it's like a print on glass, like a plexiglass. This will not break if you drop it, so don't worry. I don't have plexi, so I always think of that. But this is acrylic. And then we've got, you can get a print on wood, a wood panel. Love this. Also very cool. A little less of a modern look. And then we've got the print on metal. So a little less sheen. Metal print. It's very light, by the way. I'll show you real up close. The actual metal print is right on top. It's super, super thin, super light. This has also got a little bit of a modern edge, not quite as modern as the acrylic. I'm going to share more about these guys if you do want to know a little bit more about all the media types. Let's see what else is there. And then we've got coasters. Going to share a little bit about this. One option of coasters. I love this baby. This is Pride. Nice cork back. Very cool. So we've got coasters, we've got mugs, we've got greeting cards. Greeting cards are like one of my favorite things because I'm so old-fashioned. I do send greeting cards. And then we've got tote bags. We've got the calendars. Let me see, what else is there? Yoga mats. Super, super fun. Phone cases. I would show you mine, but it's on my phone, which is filming me. But I will share a pic in my stories today because it's so fabulous. Again, any of those prints can go on any of the phones, whether you've got an iPhone or anything. Samsung, we can print it on any type of phone case. It's all right there. But check out my website, guys, shop.imlauramadden.com. The link is in the bio if you want to see more of what I offer for fun gift ideas. And also, guys, if you need a suggestion, I'm always here. You can DM me. I love doing video chats to really help people one-on-one. So don't hesitate. By the way, what do you think of my look? Amazing, huh? This vintage jacket. Oh, it's so good. It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous, like super glam. Obviously, it's like sequins. But it's short, so it's like got that sporty feel. This is a vintage piece from Sammy and Danny, an amazing vintage store here in Phoenix. Thank you, Farah. I love, love, love my jacket. And it's like just getting cool enough to actually wear a jacket. So I will be wearing this soon. You'll see it again. But yeah, Sammy and Danny. Yes, I'm tired today. No, I did not get enough sleep. But Sammy and Danny, I will share her Instagram in my stories as well. It's just, oh God, it's so fabulous and fun. It's just so fabulous and fun. Pop vibes, yes. King of pop vibes. No, you nailed it, absolutely. Hey, Irvin, how are you? Irvin, vintage, Sammy and Danny. Have you been? Have you been to Sammy and Danny? Do you know Farah? Amazing vintage store. Phoenix, just off of Camelback, basically. Kind of Biltmore area. You gotta go to Sammy and Danny. And Sammy and Danny, Farah, the owner, would be amazing for your podcast, just saying. All right, guys, so again, this was another set of coasters that I just ordered. This is Pride. Again, cork on the back, amazing gift. Love these. You know how much I love my abstract portraits. And then guys, just want to share as well, this one here, super excited. I have an exhibit coming up. It's actually in Tucson, Arizona. So this is whiteout. This is one of my ReFashion Resculpt pieces, and that will be going on exhibit soon. So I'm going to make another one of these. And I think I'm going to do a square. I have a super thick canvas. Very, very excited about it. But yeah, so this one's going on exhibit. So that'll be on exhibit from November to February of 2022. So that won't be available. But I'm going to make another one because I know people love this. I've gotten so much great feedback about it. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right. Oh, Irvin, I'll send you her contact. Sammy and Danny. I put it in my stories. I tagged them in my stories, but I'm going to share it again. But I'll send you their contact. Fabulous. Thanks, guys. Oh, Joshu from Madrid. Thank you. You're so cool. Thank you so much. Well, greetings from Arizona, from the desert. Madrid sounds very good right now. Mediterranean vacation. All right, guys. Well, just wanted to share those updates. Don't forget, vote for me, Most Fashionable Valley Woman. If you want to support sustainable fashion and my mission to raise awareness, we'd love, love, love your support. And don't forget, check out shop.IamLauraMadden. If you want to shop gifts, if you want to gift art this year, I hope you will. And I am out, needing time. Thank you guys. Nice to see you. Wonderful spending time with you here. Bye-bye.